In this video, I'm going to show you how to export audio from BandLab. So the first thing you have to do, you want to go to the very top left and click on those three lines. And then here you want to click on project. And then in here, it's going to say download at the very bottom. Now you have two options. You can either click on tracks or mix down as, and I'm going to show you the difference. Now, if you click on tracks, what happens here is it's going to start loading, and then it's going to give you this option over here to actually download stems. And you can select if you want M4A or WAV. So of course you can then just click on this button next to it, and it's basically going to export or download onto your computer. So that's the first thing you can do. However, if you decide to go to project and then mix down as over here, again it's going to start loading for a bit, and then it's going to pop this up over here where you can basically select what you want to download. You have different options over here: M4A, MP3, or WAV, and then you can just select the one you want to use. So let's say I want to go with this MP3 over here, and again you can just click and download that onto your computer. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.